Huh? Look at this. Oh my gosh! That's a lot of garbage. Who does that? Let's do this. This is the worst. People are so inconsiderate. This is the last piece of trash. Great job, David. It looks good. Ah, that's so refreshing. Oh no, you didn't! Pick it up, or else. Whoa, chill out, lady. That's more like it. There's nothing like a good clean. I hate a dusty house. A clean house is a clean mind.
Aha! At last, I found her. Oops. Ahem.
Huh? What is that?
Hey, Mommy. Can you read me a story?
I'm sorry, honey. I'm busy right now.
Aw, but I really like that book.
Look at this. It's so messy.
Mom! Mommy! Mom! Look what I've got.
Mommy needs to clean, David.
But that's boring. You used to be fun.
Cleaning's fun. You should try it. The floor will be sparkling soon.
I'll just make my own fun with this awesome car. Mom has no idea what's gonna happen.
What's that noise?
Everything's ready. Here it goes.
That's so strange.
You're gonna find out soon. Go, go, go!
Oh no! My beautiful mop! It's ruined!
Uh-oh.
Get over here. Now!
Do I have to? Fine. I'm sorry, Mommy.
How am I supposed to clean now? Hang on. I have an idea. Let me see that. You'll get it back. I think I know how to clean the floor. I've attached the mop head to the car. Let's try it out. You'll need this.
Whoa! Really? Awesome!
That's it. Don't miss any spots. Over there, David.
You were right. Cleaning is fun.
That's my boy.
Can I do this every day?
Absolutely. You're a natural.
Thanks, Mom.
We're finally here! Our new home! There's a lot more spider webs. I hope there's no spiders. Let's start tidying this place. Good idea. Ugh, this is gross. Achoo! Phew, that was tough. But it's starting to look good. Let's do the other rooms. That sounds like a plan. Oh, they could have flushed. That's disgusting! Who lived here? Never mind that. Who's cleaning the toilet? Nope. No way. Take it, David! Okay, if you insist. See ya! Oh, that's so unfair! It's time to face my fears. I can do this. It's just pee. First, I need to suit up. I don't want any splashback. No mercy. Ugh, it smells so bad. Wait a minute. I have a better idea. I'll place toilet paper around the toilet bowl. Just like this. Now I need vinegar. And this bottle. I'll pour the vinegar into the bottle. Then screw on the top. I'll spray the vinegar over the toilet paper. I need to soak it. Then I can flush the toilet. Look at that! No more pee stains. Wow. I knew you could do it. You can take this. You'll need it for the sink. But… Can we talk about this? This is too easy. David, pick up after yourself. There are dirty clothes everywhere. Don't mind me. What are you doing? It smells real bad. Are you kidding me? These need to be washed. They can go straight into the washing machine. There we go. Now I can go get some groceries. I can't believe Mom did that. Oh, a message. It's from Madison! I better get ready. What should I wear? Oh yeah, that's more like it. Wait, what's that smell? Whoa, that's bad. I'll put on a new pair. Where are my socks? I don't have time for this. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? It's just socks, right? I'm so glad you came over. Hold on, I'll take off my shoes. Well, I was thinking… I don't feel so good. Madison? Oh no! Yeah, that's pretty bad. I need to fix this. Ugh, Mom put the wash on! This will take forever! What will I do now? I wonder… I think I know what to do. I'll place my socks in this bag. Then add some dish soap. And some water. I better make sure the bag is sealed. Now I can put them in the microwave. A quick blast and that should be it. I think they're ready. Whoa, look at that! Fresh, clean socks! And they smell great! I just need to dry them. David, what are you doing? What? Oh, hey Mom! Are you feeling okay? Yeah, just drying my socks. I'm not even gonna ask. I need to go. I'm so tired. I need a nice quiet day. Ta-da! What do you think? Hey, David! Huh? I said, what do you think? Looking good. I know. It's so cute. Here, you can have this yogurt. Thanks. It looks good. This is just what I need. Oh, I almost forgot. No! You dropped some. I know, David! My outfit's ruined! I can't wear this. Don't worry. I've got this. We need baking soda. I suppose it's worth a try. I'll sprinkle it over the stain. And a squeeze of lemon juice. Not too much. Finally, we need vinegar. Now we can scrub it. I'll put dish soap onto the stain and use the toothbrush to mix it in. We can wipe it up now. It's time to dry those jeans. The hairdryer's perfect for it. That's it. All done. Thanks. It's what I do. You won't beat me, David! I'm too good! Oh yeah? That was a lucky shot! Let's play again! Ava, look at your jeans! What? Oh no! The grass has stained them. Looks like another job for me. I'll pour vinegar over the stain. Now we can use a cloth to rub it in. And just like magic, the grass stain is gone. My hero! Now let's play! Wow, my makeup's looking great. I think I need to change my clothes. What can I wear? There's so many choices. Ooh, this is nice. But I've worn this before. I don't like any of these. This is the last outfit. It's a little plain. I guess it'll have to do. It looks good. Aw, come on! No! What's going on in here? It's a disaster! Look! That's it? Wait. I know! Give me that shaving foam! I can use this to get rid of the stain! I'll put the foam onto the makeup. Then use a toothbrush to rub it in. I need to make sure I get it all. Then I can wipe it off with a damp cloth. And it's away! Whoa! Is that the time? I need to hurry up. Huh? I'm out of shaving foam! Oh! Was that me? Ava?
Whoa. Look at Steven's focus. A little grease won't get in the way of my high score. Caffeine me. You're going down, zombies! See you in a few hours. How long have you been playing? Steven, I'm talking to you. Ick! When was the last time you did laundry? This place is disgusting. I've been busy with my game. Get yourself together, bro. What a buzzkill. Come on, take a hit. It's almost 7. Lana's gonna be home any minute. Gotcha! They'll all fit in here, right? Why clean when you can cram? Oh, I'd better clear off the table. Don't want to give myself away. Oh, hey, Lana! See, tough love does work. Can't say the same for our thermostat. Too hot for a jacket. What died in here? Ugh! I gotta get this stuff out of here. I can breathe through my mouth, right? Phew! That laundry could kill a horse. Why won't he just wash his clothes? Wait a second. I know how to get rid of that stench. First, open up a sanitary napkin. Make sure to unfold the wings. Then pour a capful of fabric softener on it. Now it's ready to go. Smells like a meadow. I'll just stick it right here in the closet. Let the odor eating begin. But Steven's not off the hook yet. Oh, Steven! Queens wear red jewels, right? If I were real royalty, I'd rock this thing. Turns out, sunscreen really does work. If you remember to put it on. It hurts to breathe. You look awful. Oh god! It burns so bad! Lana, help! Ow! You've got to cool off. Tell my mom that I love her. It's okay. But what about your feet? You brought the whole beach home. You're gonna get sand everywhere. If I could only reach my shoes. Nope, not gonna happen. Ouch! This thing's sharp. Wait a second. Could I do something with this? I'll take care of this. Looks like this sandal's about to become a scrubber. Turn over the brush and put hot glue on the back side. Get all 4 sides. Then stick it to the sole of the shoe. Then put a few globs of glue along the edge. And stick some plastic jewels on top. The more colors, the better. Once you do the heel, you're done. Brilliant. Put them right into the shower and slide those sandy feet right in. Now the sand can go right down the drain. Talk about a lazy man scrub. Because clean feet are happy feet. Pool parties sure can tire you out. And Kevin's learning that the hard way. Yikes, look at that mess. Looks like it was a rockin' party. I can barely open my eyes. What? That nap went way too long. How am I gonna clean all this? Time for a little hide and seek. There we go. I can't waste time with this. I gotta kick this into high gear. Huh? What's wrong with this thing? Oh, come on! Ugh! I know! I'll sweep the old-fashioned way. Why are they sticking like that? This is so bad! I feel like I'm just making it worse. Get off of me! Could this confetti be any messier? I mean, look at this! Actually, this may be the solution. Stick some double-sided tape to the broom, peel off the backing, and get to work. Check out that clean sweep. It works like a charm. Now Mom won't suspect a thing. Phew! I gotta get home. Sophia?